Trigger points are exquisitely painful, tender points that we find within muscles. When you press them, they cause localized pain and irritation, very specific type of pain. Trigger points can occur in any muscle in the body and in combinations as well, and they make the host muscle shorter and inefficient. So let's explore the trigger points in a little more depth. Trigger points occur in taut bands. And look what is happening. We can see that the muscles are made of contractile elements called sarcomeres. Now, when we contract a muscle, we shorten it, which is why it looks shorter and bigger. Sarcomeres is contracting groups, and over time, what can happen is under certain physiological circumstances, the sarcomere can become permanently switched on. Now, this is an inefficient state, and it causes localized inflammation. Of course, as we start using this dysfunctional muscle, other muscles locally start to fail around it. The host muscle becomes shorter and more inefficient, so we use more power, and we start to get clusters of trigger points that form together. And this is really what we are feeling when we are palpating and feeling that trigger point in that taut band of muscle. Inside the trigger point, obviously, it is not a situation that the body wants, and it causes localized inflammatory changes, and we get those pro-inflammatory kinds of substances that start to develop. Again, you'll feel that pain in the pain map, and you'll see there's a lack of movement because there is an Here we are looking at the trapezius muscle, the lower, the middle, and the upper fibers. So one of the key features of trigger points is pressing the trigger point and holding it for more than 5 seconds can cause a map, a specific map, a well-documented map of pain, and each muscle has a different map. You can see that the source of the pain is in a different position to where the pain is perceived. This is really important because different muscles have different maps.